Love.
Love? What for?
You will see.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Well, I am pleased to meet you all.
We are also pleased to be meeting you, Guanna.
I am stout.
Oh, no. You are making mistake.
Mistake?
You are not stout. He is stout.
Ah, look. I am Jean Stout. I am your English teacher. Would you all like to sit down? Sit down.
Oh, acha.
Yes. Now I'll go around the class and ask each one of you to give me your names and domiciles.
Assalamu alaikum. It's English class. Yes?
Ah, yes. Please take your seats. Are these two students too?
Oh, no. These are my wives. Begums. They go where I go. Yes?
Both of them? But that is bigamy.
Oh, yes. It's big of me. Actually, I'm having 10. I bring only 2 now. Next class, I bring all. Yes?
Oh, no. Please don't bother. Tell me your name and nationality, please.
Sheikh Al Zahir Kevin
Thank you.
Khalid
Thank you.
Suhail
Thank
from
you.
Saudi Arabia.
Thank you. You may sit. Next student, please.
Marry me.
No, thank you. I already am.
Oh, good, madam. I'm bachelor.
Just shut up. No such stuff. Mano, may marry me, Francois.
Oh, I see. Please.
France, this is the way of greeting in my country.
Thank you.
Pardon me, I am looking for the English class. Will you know where it is?
Ah, yes, you have come to the right place. Take your seat. First, tell me your name and nationality.
Jiang Chang from Tibet.
Thank you. Don't sit here. There. Next, you with the turban. What is your name?
Oh, ji, Sat Sri Akal. Oh, my name Ranveer Singh. I am sick.
If you're not feeling too well, please put your head down.
Arey Najina Master ji, I am not referring to my physical state of mind. It's my religion. So the turban.
Ah, Ranveer, I didn't ask for your religion. Tell me your nationality.
Oh, I am Indian. I belong to the holy land of 5 rivers, Punjab.
Thank you. Next student, please.
I come to learn English. Have I come to the right place?
Yes, please come here and tell me your name and nationality.
I'm Honolulu from Honolulu, Hawaii.
Thank you. Next student, please. Oh, ouch.
I am sorry. My name is Hitachi Nakasone.
Country?
I belong to the country of excellent technology. Japanese make superior electronico.
Thank you. Next student, please.
কি আপনি কে বলছেন আমি কিছু বুঝতে পারছি না
Name, please.
কি
अरे मास्टर जी नाम पूछिए नाम.
ও হো আমার নাম
हाँ.
আমি আমার নাম লিখতে পারি অবশ্য আমি আমার নাম লিখতেও পারি না পড়তেও পারি
Oh, no. This is no good. I need this in English.
ও হো ইংরেজিতে চাও দাঁড়াও দেখছি এই ব্যাগেই কোথাও আছে। এই না।
Ah, yes. Mrs. Pranoti Sen from Bengal. Thank you. Next student, please.
Zambura Bambuza, Zambia.
Oh, and have you come flying?
Oh, how do you mean, Guyana?
You know, in an iron bird. Stop it, everyone. It must be a real change from riding an elephant. Unless you've come in a jumbo jet. Never mind, sit down. Next. You, why are you hiding there?
Please, teacher ji, for Lord Murugan's sake, don't ask my name.
Now, let's not waste time. Please tell me your name and nationality.
I am Subba Srinivasan from Sri Lanka.
Thank you.
Oh, so you were hiding because you're from ATTE. Nab him, everyone.
Settle down, please, everyone. Settle down, please. Please sit down, everyone. Thank you.
In your pardon, can you be telling me when the English class is big?
Ah, well, yes. You have come to the right place. But if you're a student, I must say, you have come awfully late.
Begging your pardon, you see, I am catching the wrong bus and going in the backward direction.
Ah, you mean you went the wrong way. Now tell me, what is your name?
Oh no, what is not my name?
I know what is not your name. But what is your name?
And I'm telling you, that is not.
Look, I am James Dowse. He is Jambura Mombasa. She is Hilolulu. You are?
Oh, name. You are asking name. My name is Akbar Ali.
Country?
Inshallah, Pakistan.
Good. Now you may sit next to Ranveer over there.
Oh no! I am refusing to sit next to that lowly Indian.
You Pakistani kebab, not taking bath every day. You understand trees. When I am empty after class, I'll show you.
Please calm down, both of you. Calm down, please. Settle down, please.
I will be liking to sit forward, teacher.
Oh, no. You cannot be biting there. I will be biting there.
Stop it, both of you. What is the problem, Ali?
Mr. Slim, it's my eyes. I am seeing less.
The name is Stout.
Excuse me, Mr. Stout. What I mean, I am seeing less.
Oh, and it has got nothing to do with the fact that Lulu is sitting over there?
She is. I never noticed.
And you, Ranveer, I suppose you have a problem with your eyes too?
Oh, Najina Master Ji, my eyes are perfect. It's my ears. I earless.
Yes, that's a likely story. Sit down, both of you, and we'll begin the class. Now, we'll begin by learning a few basic English verbs. Firstly, we take the verb to be.
To be.
I am English. He is African. She is French.
He is barbarian.
राहुल मेरा खुद तू मेरे खुदा को गाली देती You asking for a gift?
Stop it, both of you. Pay attention, please. Now, repeat after me. I am. You are. He, she, or it is. We are. They are. Very good. Now I'll go around the class and ask each one of you to give me a sentence using to be. Hitachi. I am.
I am very happy to be learning English.
Very good. Next, Ali. He is.
He is being a fool.
Yes, except there is no being. He is a fool.
Yes, he is a fool.
You call me fool?
Ranveer. She is.
She is beautiful. She is wonderful. She is.
Never mind, Ranveer, sit down. Next we move on to Pranoti. It is,
Ki?
it is raining.
अरे बारिश हो रही है बारिश. It is raining.
কোথায় বৃষ্টি পড়ছে? আমি তো দেখতে পাচ্ছি না যে বৃষ্টি পড়ছে।
Sit down, please. Yes, Mary. We are,
We are lucky to have you, teacher.
that is correct. She, you are,
You are waiting for me to answer. Yes?
brilliant, well done.
Unfortunately, I'm not understanding the question.
Look, I asked you to give me a sentence using you are.
I am.
No, not I am. You are. For example, you are from Saudi Arabia.
Oh yes, I am from Saudi Arabia.
Good, but now use you are.
I cannot say that you are from Saudi Arabia because you are not from Saudi Arabia.
Okay, repeat after me. You are English.
Oh no, I am from Saudi Arabia.
What am I?
You are confusing me.
Never mind, sit down. And we'll move on to vowels. Well then, can anybody tell me what a vowel sound is?
Oh yes, Guana. It is rumbling tummy.
Oh, Champura, that's vowel. Well, there are 5 vowels in the English alphabet. A, E, I, O, U. Very good. The first letter, A, can be pronounced in 3 ways. A, R, and R. Good. Next.
Excuse me.
Yes.
I not understanding how the letter A can be R.
It's not the letter R. It's pronounced as R.
Crazy language.
Okay, let's take an example. Let's take the word fat. It has a flat A sound. But if we add an E next to it, what do we get? Yes, Srinivasan.
Fatty.
No, Srinivasan, feet.
Fatty.
Okay, can anybody tell me what the word fate means? Yes.
Oi, Moshe. One right foot, one left foot.
No, Mary, those are feet.
Oh.
Well then, I think we'll continue with vowels next week. For now, I want to check how your vocabulary is. I have a list of things over here. I want you to identify them. Subba, what is this?
Apple.
You are not supposed to eat it.
Jolly good. Oh, sorry, teacher ji.
I only have a small bite.
You might as well finish it now. Next, Chan, what is this?
It is orange.
No, orange. R.
Orange.
That is better. Next, Ranveer.
Oh yes, please.
What is this?
This is finger.
No, this.
Oh yeah, this is tapping.
Never mind, sit down. Ali, what is this?
This is a bottle.
Yes, but what is inside it?
Sauce.
That's correct. It's a sauce bottle. Next, Mary, what is this?
Tomato.
That's correct. Shake, what is this?
Potato.
No, it's pronounced as potato.
Potato.
That's better. Next, Jambura. What is this?
Lime juice.
I think will satisfy your appetite later, Jambura. Pranoti. What is this?
Cow juice.
No, milk. Now, can anybody tell me where we get milk from? Yes, Hitachi.
Milkman.
No, we get milk from cows.
Milkman.
Okay, can anybody tell me what are kept there? Lulu.
Sausages?
That's correct. Now, can anybody tell me where we get sausages from? Ranveer.
Arey, pig, pig!
You call me pig? You call me pig?
Ranveer.
You call me pig?
Ranveer, I think Ali just meant that we get sausages from pigs. Now, pin drop silence, please. What are you doing, Chang?
I was looking for the pin you drop.
Pin drop silence is just a figure of speech. A figure of speech does not mean what it says. A figure of speech is a way of expressing an idea by way of contrast or comparison. For example, as quick as lightning, as light as a feather, as blind as, yes, Jambura.
Bat.
That's correct, because bats cannot see. As deaf as, yes, shake.
Postman.
No, post, because posts cannot hear.
Neither can my postman.
Sit down. Well then, as smooth as Ranveer.
Baby's bottom.
Sit down, please, sit down. Next, as sly as, yes, Ali.
Sick!
Please, calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down, please, calm down.